Behind every great beginning lies a leap of its time. HUAYEE, a manufacturer deeply rooted in mechanical engineering, has been relentlessly exploring and breaking boundaries, stepping confidently onto the global stage. From day one, our vision was simple: to build equipment that users around the world can trust. For this original intention, we've endured countless rounds of testing, failure, and renewal. Every detail is forged with sweat, persistence, and unwavering dedication. From a traditional machinery workshop to a smart manufacturing enterprise, HUAYEE has continuously invested in R&D and production modernization. Behind every standardized process is our relentless pursuit of excellence. Over the years, HUAYEE has earned multiple certifications and industry accreditations and has been recognized for consecutive years as a key equipment manufacturer in our region. Several of our products have been featured on authoritative, top recommended equipment lists. Behind every machine stands a team of passionate, professional HUAYEE people in R&D, production, quality control, and after-sales service. Each role, each effort, drives us forward because we believe quality is not the work of one, it's the result of a united team. As Made in China gains global recognition, HUAYEE has embarked on a new chapter. Our equipment now serves customers across dozens of countries and regions. Times change, needs evolve, but HUAYEE's commitment to quality, that has never changed. Looking ahead, we will continue to drive innovation through technology, create value through products, and build a world-class construction machinery brand with a global vision.